Hello there. Today I'll be showing you how to upload your 3D model to BuildBee. To start, go to BuildBee homepage. From there, click the plus icon. If you have a .stl file ready in the correct orientation, click Direct File Upload in the top right corner. You can now drag and drop your 3D model in the box. Give your model a name and press Upload. Done. Now, if you need to modify the orientation or size of the 3D object, press the plus icon. But instead of direct file upload, you will drag the 3D model onto the surface. A preview of the object should be displayed on the platform. At the bottom of the screen, you can modify the model settings. You can move, rotate, and scale your model. When you're happy with the settings, press Next in the bottom right corner. The model will now be sent to the cloud where you can start printing.